Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jennifer, and I am speaking with you from JLP Services Inc. This is my channel. This is the portable blacksmith shop that I use for doing demonstrations out. Recently I ordered a bunch of hatchet handles for throwing tomahawks, and that is what we're going to make, is a series on tomahawks. The handles are here. I ordered a whole bunch of different ones, different sizes. We're going to make a drift, or we're going to start making a drift. And that drift will be actually used for all the different sizes that we're going to use. And the reason why I'm calling it a drift versus strictly a mandrel is it's going to be a combination tool. So here we go. I'm starting with some 7/8 round, 15/16 round. This is just a piece of scrap bar. 7/8 round, and we're going to upset the end of it in order to get to the diameter we need. I am choosing this handle, and we're going to upset basically to like 1 1/4 inch or so, and then we're going to forge it back down into a square. And that square will actually, I'm going to show you how to form the ridge here, which is probably one of the most important parts if you don't have a swage block or a way to do it easily. You want to remember to keep the mass or the upset with the remainder of the bar going over the part that you're upsetting. So you want to keep everything in line. So you want to keep recentering the mass. And you want the main parent bar to be directly over the part you're trying to upset. So I'm starting to square it up. As I'm going along, we're going to need that square for when it comes time to form that upwards ridge. The handle will key in to the blade. Okay, we've got plenty of mass now for the handle. So you can see that anyways, there's just plenty of material there now to actually forge in the There's plenty of material to forge in for the amount of material needed for the eye of the tomahawk. So using this piece as a representation of what we're doing, we're going to take and forge in the back section and the two sides. We're going to make the back section round, and the high side will become this ridge here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to forge here and here on the anvil to make this part rounder. And then we're going to switch to here and flatten that out. As we flatten that out, we're going to end up with having this ridge here with a nice rounded back. You want to pick one of your better sides. This is my best side here, well, that one or this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by hitting it just at a slight angle, directing that pressure into the back side here. Then I'm going to come in, I'm going to hit here, flip it over, do the same thing again. And we're going to go back, and we're going to do the same thing again, this time on the front side. Again, all we're doing is trying to round up the back. So we're looking for the same diameter and the same profile and taper. So our height is good, but we're still too wide. So what we're going to do is bring it down the sides just a little bit more. So what I'll do now is I'll profile one side and I'll profile the other. And again, I've got I don't know, 13 of these handles or something. So I'll make them to actually fit all of the handles. So we're still substantially wider than what we should be. And that side is pretty good, still a little bit wider than we need. Okay, so you want to check your profile. Make sure you're pretty even. That looks good. Go back to here. Back to here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. now I'll give it its finishing heat and its burnishing. So what I'm doing now is I'm working the back with the bottom portion at an angle. So I'm mimicking that front groove here with it upside down, and I'm actually forming the back radius of the eye, for the eye. And done correctly, it should give us a nice round profile in the back, which you can see taking shape now. And again, we want to keep everything centered. What I'm doing is getting rid of the fish mouth that formed. Then I'm going to bring that back down again one more time. So I'm going to pull it back. So eyeball it, make sure the center is where you want it to be. Make sure that it's centered and radius fine. Make sure that there's a full taper, a gradual taper from here to here. Recheck your shape. Yeah, I'm good. Good. Right on the money. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one more heat. And I'm actually just going to work from here downwards and upset this just a little bit because I'm a little bit shy on my overall measurement. So what I'm doing now is centering the taper. So the taper basically runs to the center line of the piece, fairly even. That's pretty good. Come in here and knock that down a little bit. Good. Make sure that's even. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good all the way around. Okay, so now for my burnishing, I'm not trying to lose any thickness. What I'm trying to do is just take out a little bit of the forging marks. I'm going to actually wait for it to be just a little bit colder and switch to a smaller hammer. I guess I'll just use my 2 3/4 and really light blows. Just turning it over so slightly. We're just making it smooth. Not trying to change any of the dimensions. What I'm going to do is, as the last, one of the very last things, I'm actually going to come in and just knock down this center ridge just a little bit. Like so. Good. Check my shape one more time before I cut it off. No, I lied. I'm going to take this down just a little bit more. Just like so. Okay, now that it's pretty good, now I'm going to cut it off. And I want to leave just a little bit of extra length. So I'm probably going to leave, I don't know, about 3 inches extra. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just flatten this out a little bit. So I'm just creating a chomper so that I can get it knocked out easily. And I want that taper to continue. So the same taper I have here should radiate out until the edge of the drift for mandrel. Again, I want this somewhat, that's pretty good. So there I can knock it out and not have any problems. one last thing is to put my maker's mark in it. So there it is. There is our Tomahawk drift. There is the here's the end profile. There is the side profile. Again, just a little bit bigger than what we want it to, so right there would be about the right size. Looks good. There you have it. As forged, upset from 7/8 material.